It was midnight. There was a bank robbery in the car city. Thief stole a bag of gold. Smiled, he disappeared into the night. Morning came and sun is rise. Cars woke up and went to work. Orange and blue cars saw that the bank gate is destroyed. "Oh no!" the blue car exclaimed. "Someone's robbed our bank. All the gold is gone," the orange car cried. "We need the police help. Time to call our friend, the police car." The police car came to the cop. He decided to inspect the crime place. "Wait a minute, what is it?" It seems the robber dropped his passport. Police car came and picked up the document. It was said that it belonged to the car with the number 8. That was the robber's name. Police car started an investigation. He decided to interview all the residents of Car City, but no one knew anything. He met 3 cars near the traffic light. Police car first looked at the red car and then at the truck. They didn't have number 8 of them. The last one was a yellow car. Oh, on her door was number 8. Police car looked at the passport. "It's a robber!" "Stop! Give back the gold coins!" said police car. The yellow machine was scared and started to run. After hot pursuit, yellow car hidden in the hollow. But how to extract it? Police car decided to call for help his friend, a magnetic bomb. He easily pulled out the yellow car. She was very ashamed. Yellow car returned the gold coins. The police car drove the money back to the bank. All was very happy. The yellow car went to jail for a few days. She will think about her behavior. A police car waiting for a new adventure. See you soon, friends. Goodbye.